In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create WhatsApp account officially with a step-by-step process. So let's go to the phone screen. So for creating WhatsApp account, first of all, you'll need to go to Play Store, and after that, you need to download this WhatsApp Messenger in your phone first. And if you don't have Play Store account, that time you need to search Google, and after that you can go to this website, and from there you can click here, get to the latest version, and from there you can download this WhatsApp application. Okay, so after downloading WhatsApp application in your phone, just open it and then click here agree and continue. Then there you can see there is my country and phone number, so it will automatically suggested your country. So after that, let me enter my WhatsApp number in here. So after that, let me click on next option. So is this the correct number? So click here yes. So to automatically verify with a missed call or missed call to your phone number, so allow WhatsApp to manage this call, so you need to click here continue this option, then click here allow again, then again, then wait for a few seconds. It will automatically verify your phone number. You can see automatically verifying because I have my that SIM card in my this phone, so that's why it automatically verified. Okay, so allow access, let me click here continue, then again allow, then allow all. Then if you previously backed up a Google storage and want to restore it, so you can click here give permission, but right now I want to click here skip. Then transfer from old phone, so it asked you can transfer your your old phone chat, so right now I need to click here skip, then skip restore. Then it asked for my phone number. Okay, so sorry, it asked for my name, so let me write my name in here, Saiful, and after that click here next option. Then add here your any kinds of email so that it will help you for recover or verifying your account. So let me click here skip. Then choose your chat theme, so you can change it. So I choose the default one, so let me click here next option now. So my WhatsApp account already created. Let me show you this three dot line, then settings, then accounts, and you can see there is my accounts. I have already created this WhatsApp account. So that's it guys. So by this easiest process, you can create your WhatsApp account officially with this process. So thank you so much for watching.